What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to the Cher Talk. Obi and I are going to talk about what we are going to talk about today. I have to load up the thing because I'm not here.
You see them not here.
Them texting a day. Them send me a message in my inbox on Facebook, so them not hear you. Your voice too low, and them say, and them know say you can spice up the thing, so them want you spice up the thing, So
You ever ask them if them are here well?
no.
They probably are them. Probably them not here so good.
Alright, guys. Welcome back to the Chair, guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend about our channel. We're trying to grow it, and we appreciate your support. Thank you guys so much for keep coming back and be a part of our YouTube family. Bless up in a nice clean self. Today's video, we actually want to find out if Obi would have go back to Jamaica now go live. Him tell me, but me want him tell Uno if he would have go back to Jamaica go live now, and why he would have go back to Jamaica go live no. So the verdict is in, and it's time for him to explain why. Let's talk about it on the Cher Talk.
Yes.
Tell the people them why you would have go back to Jamaica now go live.
Why? We never tell them to me I go.
No. You tell me say you would go back. You would, no, me ask the question. Would you go back to Jamaica go live now?
No?
Yeah.
I go back to Jamaica, go live. Maybe go live. No. I'd rather just 6 months at Jamaica and 6 months here. Like to find myself in a position where I can spend the summer here.
Right.
And as soon as the winter start kicking in, we're at Jamaica.
Okay, so you're saying
that
that.
love.
Okay, so you're saying that you wouldn't go back to Jamaica go live.
No,
one
no,
full
we no,
time?
no,
Right.
no at this present moment. But
If you have
eventually,
money,
me,
if you have money we can support you,
yeah, we'll live back there.
you would go back to Jamaica now go live.
No. If I know you talk about,
If you have the money, no. Like you would have can finance yourself enough where you not have to
6
go down
months
there
there
go work.
and 6 months here.
Okay.
Because my family they're here.
Okay, so you're still gonna do
But
6
I'm
months.
glad for the opportunity where I can go down and go spend half of the year, 6 months, out of the winter, out of the cold. And whosoever want, if I have enough money or whatever, whosoever want to come, if you want to come to you.
Here there,
If you don't want to come in again,
here there.
and you come after.
And when you go to Jamaica for 2 weeks, you miss me after 2 weeks. I hear you.
So you not go? So you don't miss
Nobody
me?
show off yourself, right?
So you not go come?
Nobody show off yourself.
You go down there within a month time, you will reach down there too.
No.
Once you have the time.
No, nobody show off yourself, no. But
But I live there, yes. I live back at Jamaica.
But if me want to come, and whosoever want to come, then come.
Whosoever will may come.
Show off yourself, yourself. But not show off.
Oh, sure.
But after 2 weeks, you are going to miss me. Don't lie.
I'm not saying I'm not going to miss you, but I come back.
Eh?
I'm not going to come back. If I go to spend the 6 months, come out of the cold, I'm not going to. Even though I miss you, I'm not going to come back. Can't miss you. And you have to come.
Damn.
So why you don't come? Why you don't come out of the cold? You love it?
You're there. So you say if you're at Jamaica, you will spend 6 months without me in Jamaica. When you come back, that the relationship they're done.
So you don't really stay here. After me down there for 6 months, you don't really stay here for 6 months and cause a relationship for them.
Then, so when me I run back here, me live right here, so. When you walk to Jamaica, go spend 6 months if you have
When
your
I come
family.
out of the cold,
You come out of the cold for 6 months. When you come back, be gone.
so you don't really stay
You
here.
now come back, come see me.
So me
here.
leave and go to Jamaica for 6 months. You don't really stay here for 6 months and don't come down there.
Then what me fi do? So me must
And
buy.
you can come, you know, I'm not going to hold you back here.
So why you not come back?
Me come from
And go back.
I come out of the cold.
Suppose me no want to come.
Well, I guess so. I go like them. I guess so.
No, that not funny.
I guess so.
No, speak the truth. So you got Jamaica for 6 months. You go spend 6 months, and me no want to go down there go spend 6 months. So you
How
say
long you want to spend?
2 weeks.
2 weeks. If me down there, you not spend 2 weeks. If remember, you don't have no strength. Your kids them big. Everything take care of. You have money for supply you down there while you're there, right?
You're there.
Well, I know. Are you me talking? Why you that day here? I know say me I go down there, go come out of the cold. Me I say, listen, me can't manage the cold. Me have that opportunity now. From me come America, I want this opportunity where me can go to Jamaica go spend the summer, the summer or whatever, or the Christmas. Yeah, family never spend a Christmas. I don't see no more Christmas family left.
First of all, if you got Jamaica, you go spend 6 months and left me, huh? The first thing I go think say you have one woman down there, and that woman there you down there with.
So that I gonna make you come down there.
No, that not gonna make me come down there.
So you just give up your man, sir.
So what me fi do? You know, give me up and gone for 6 months.
When me gone at your body you come from, you know, like me gone I was change place, you know.
You know what?
Yeah, family there too, you know, and
That's not the,
there.
that's
you
not the
can come there
point.
too, you know.
If me no want
So
to
you already
come,
stay here in the cold and get sick.
you're there in the cold all the time. Why you have to go for 6 months?
Because I have the opportunity to have the money.
Guys, when I ever hear this, me I want you to drop it in the comment
I have
section.
the money, can supply myself with whatever I need for the
All
time.
right.
I have place to stay. I have car down there for drive. I have money for spend. Why not? And when I stay here and I cold, I get sick all the way there. Remember, you know, that I don't know, you know. That I like a couple years now, so the cold I go start sick me.
You're there.
So, I now can stay there. So, I'm going to go to Jamaica for this cold, for the winter. Experience at 14, or how much years now I'm experience at Christmas?
We just learn this,
Jamaica.
guys. We don't know.
Ah.
We just learn this. We don't know.
Me
Go back
know
for
say
6
you go
months.
come. Once you don't have nothing for all year, I know you're not going to make me down there for them. If it's not even 2 months, I'm not going down there for you not come down there.
First of all, the question I ask you, say,
Live.
if you would have go back to Jamaica, go live.
Live. I mean, I said, no, no.
So you go
Not
down
live.
there
No.
without me. You say, if me want to come, me come. If me want to come, me come.
Who want to come, come.
Who want to come, come.
Whosoever will me come.
So, that not sound right to me.
They, who don't want to come with a God? Who don't want to come with God? Huh? Yeah.
You see, that was not the answer me expect.
With respect, I said, no, I'm not going to go.
No, that was not the answer.
What the answer you expect?
Okay, so you're going to Jamaica for 6 months and me there up here for 6 months. When you come back the whole same thing, me move out and gone and the source of house you come back and see.
Then we never there for 5 years before you come here. So what now? Me there for 5 years before you come here. So what now? Why a difference? And it's just 6 months.
So when you come and you not see me, what happen?
I just see her. I have to see her.
What you mean you haven't seen me?
I mean, they never come home. You have to do if you.
So when you come home, after the 6 months, you not see me.
Like when you come home and open the door and come to the house when I see her.
Yeah.
Alright, I soon see her. I'm going to see her later.
When?
You got something on the road, something chill, I'm going to easy. Well, I be here, then I pack
Alright,
out,
suppose
I'm pack out. Pack out of my suitcase.
Suppose when you come, I move out, I change my number and you don't know when I'm there.
You move, so immediately after, as I come in at the house, I'm going to know.
No, me not go there. Me not go there, right? Me not go there. Things are gone. How you da feel about that? And you come see an empty house.
You just say you don't have no faith, you know what I mean?
We don't feel that you go pala for 6 months and live
But you
your
could have
wife.
come pull off too. You never say enough for come. You choose not to. What? What? What?
Yeah, first
I'm
go
trying
to
to scope because I hear a place to our place. And I like it's a strange place to you and I like you know want to go there.
the fact of the matter is, me wanna go back to Jamaica now go spend 6 months. Unless we reach out up in the top scale area. After when me go through a Jamaica,
You know exactly what I just said.
if me
If we find in the position I'm in right now, I'm in a position for that now. But if I find myself in another position, automatically you're in a position too.
but you just say if me want come, who want come.
Yeah, you're right. But you're in the
That's
position.
not a good answer.
But you're in the position. Remember
You
me
don't have to
saying.
come to an agreement for you for go to Jamaica.
Remember
You
me
can't
saying,
just take up yourself and go for 6 months.
Then you're not gonna know. Cause a plan, me not hide. Me got plan. So boy, me go to Jamaica for the winter, you know.
This
Stay
is
the winter, you know. So yeah, it's a plan, and you go agree with me, and it's all you go. Where you do yourself out there? You want to go to Jamaica? What you do down there? Eh? What you do down there?
it's by the white phone.
Eat some of the wild fowl.
Okay, so when me I say now, if you ever go back to Jamaica, go spend 6 months. That's something we wouldn't have to plan and we have an agreement. You can't just go to Jamaica, go spend 6 months and expect say when you come back here, me go nice and dandy. If me no want go, suppose me no want go spend 6 months. Well, you are gonna just go down there so you have a wife that like say me whole and cranky and I walk with stick and me no want nothing. You are gonna just left me for 6 months and go to Jamaica so unless you have a woman down there.
So I'm telling you, say you go come.
No, you say who want come.
Yeah.
You should have never answer like that. You put the target on your back.
You know you go forward. You know that.
No, you don't know.
Once me I go to Jamaica and you know so I go spend time, yeah, forward.
No, me not go come.
Then if you not go come,
You
that
have to
mean
go
you
come
allow
back.
me
You
to
go
go
just go
and
for
come
2
back.
weeks and you go come back.
No, so
If you
2
go for
weeks.
6 months, that means that the relationship
2
done.
weeks when yeah, you know you're confined.
It's
you have
like
a
you
job.
left your woman, you have to go cheat and go find a man. I mean, left you up down at Jamaica for go find a woman.
Listen, cut the man and the woman out there.
Yes,
Hold
no.
on, hold on. Cut the man and the woman out there. Remember, you know, you're going in the position where you can go down there and you're comfortable.
Understand that.
So who am I cannot go and come? If me and you going and I can spend the 2
Then
months, you can
suppose me
convince
no
me to
want
come back in a 2 months, you know, or a month, you know. Me alone down there, I tell you know before I leave here, say a 6 months, I want to get out of this far. And you allow me to go on. So,
No, you're not go for 6 months.
yeah,
That not possible.
come back over 6 months. Anything.
What? When you come back after 6 months, then anything. You there? When I do it, I'm gonna live your best life.
I don't know me go down, down there for 6 months, I just take in, take in some real natural food and some natural juice and everything. Come back.
And that you want to go take in?
I make sure I take in as much as I can.
Oh,
Because you never come in and say, I bring it up back on gear.
no. I don't want it.
So you mean, we are employed.
You have your intention.
We are employed.
When you go to Jamaica, go spend 6 months. That hurt my feelings. Guys, me never know say he would have think that way then. He come up
So what me say, yeah, I'm not going to live. Is it a worse?
with... So when you go to Jamaica, go live and me no want to go live.
That's it. No, I'm not going to live now.
Even if you have money, you wouldn't go live now.
That's it. I rather, I want a visa. I want to have a visa. I can move back and forth. I don't want to stop. But me to pack up. I'm there. Me to pack up and go live back at Jamaica. You know that already too. If me have it like that. Or I live 2 places. I have dual citizen. I live there and here. Have house there, have house here, have business there, have business there.
Yeah, there.
Or if I just want to live and enjoy my life and nobody with no stress about no business or nothing like that. Just if me have it like that.
Yeah, there.
So
Anyway, guys, we're wrapping this video up. But me and him are gonna have a serious discussion after this topic. Okay? Me and him are gonna have a serious discussion after the camera. Me cannot tell you what me I gonna say. So, when you drop in the comment section, what you think me I gonna say.
to be continued. I'll be back.
You cannot hear what me I gonna say. Bless up on a nice clean self and I hope you enjoy the video.
Me too.
I got Jamaica go live. Him have a catty down there. And what else it have to be? So now it a bust my brains. So I figure it out. Catch you later. Like the video. Bye.